everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be changing out the string on my DCST 920 DeWalt trimmer. Now this is something that I did an unboxing and like an overview video and a trial run of my weed eater. I used it all last year, totally loved it. The string is almost all gone, so I'm going to be replacing the spool. So a couple key things before I begin. You always want to make sure that you use the DeWalt line of accessories, whether it's blades or in this case, the string. So I went out and bought a spool, and you always want to make sure before you change anything out on a tool that the battery is taken off or it's unplugged. The first thing that you want to do is release this spool cap. Now this might be a little difficult for me because I have smaller hands. You depress both of those caps and the spool comes off. Once the spool cap is removed, you want to align the eyelets in the housing here. And there's an exterior one, but then if you look, there's an interior one too. You want to cut off a piece that's no longer than 25 feet max. That being said, you take one end of your line that you cut off and you start feeding it through the outer eyelet and then through that central one. And it comes out the other side. Okay, so at this point, you just want to align the ends up so that you have equal portions on each side. And this wanted to coil up on me. So I've got both of my ends and I'm just gonna kind of follow through because otherwise what you'll have is a lopsided line and you'll have to cut some off and that would be a waste. So, okay, this is about as even as I can get it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna drop those lines and then you're gonna take your spool and you just line it back up with the tabs and you push it on. Once that is secure, you want to hang on to this bottom portion right here with one hand and then take your other hand. Now it says to turn it counterclockwise. That kind of all depends what way you're looking at it. So if it won't go this way, which in my case it won't, I'm actually spin it, but the direction I'm holding it, this is actually clockwise. But as you do this, the spool winds up in there, but it will not physically go in that direction. So that's how you know. So you want to just wind this, and actually it spools in there pretty quick. So you want to stop winding when you've got about 5 inches. It looks like I could have probably left a little bit more on there, but when I put the battery on and start it up, I'll give myself a little extra line. So that's really all there is to it. It's very easy to do. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please follow me and give me a comment and a like on this video and ring the bell, and that way you won't miss any other videos that I put on YouTube. So I thank you for watching and always take care.